Here's what you can do after eating too many carbohydrates. I always eat too much sugar. I'm glad I've got this. Step 1. Take fenugreek powder. This can help with future eating disorders, dramatically reduce your blood sugar levels, and instantly stop those bad food and sugar cravings. Step 2. Have 1 cup of green tea with a touch of cinnamon powder. These two combinations work together nicely to further lower sugar levels, increase antioxidant stimulation, and fat burning. Step 3. Then do 7 to 10 minutes of HIIT training. This is all that is needed to help the body to store the carbohydrates into the muscle tissues and to start burning off the extra carbohydrates and sugar as fuel. All 7 minutes. I got this. Step 4. To further enhance your recovery, take some magnesium before bed or after your effective mini workout. This will help you to utilize those carbohydrates effectively by helping your body to store any excess sugar as glycogen instead of fat. This is stored inside the muscles, so it will not be stored as fat whilst you sleep. Good night. Remember guys, health is the most precious gift you have. Treat yourself, but not too much, like me. Thanks for watching Lehman's Health. Please subscribe for more health and fitness hacks. Bye bye.